Hey, hello. Today we are going to see how to navigate into the appMDM and talk about all the navigations here. Real quick, I'm getting into the system using a data architect user, which I already created. Data architect is a super user for this instance. Here, once I logged in, where you can see the brand logo of appMDM. On the other side, you'll get the help, and it got upload link as well in the quick link, and you can see the who is logged in and the logout. And in the left side beam, you can see several navigation icons like a home, change password, and what is my request status, and a couple of setup pages wherein I can go and configure the user responsibility and then assigning a responsibility to the user. And I can configure mail templates, notification, and I can configure all the help and attachments. And comes to the next, the object design, wherein I can create a page on a custom page or MDM pages and lookup definitions. If we want to do request type for a given object, that also possible, and attribute template, and Dun and Bradstreet configuration and the mapping side, and a couple of rule and assignments here. The object assignment basically for the security, and the request type assignment. So the request type is created and assigned to the object, and the consolidation rule. There are four types of rules: consolidation metric, horizon, harmonization rule, and auto merging rule, and the final match group rule. So everything you can do, and the profiling project assignment. So these things you can do it through the rules and assignment. Obviously, it got appMDM got reports, wherein we can create a new report and generate a report, and we can assign the report to the user, then only they can see it. And if you want, you can use our existing upload report creation screen, wherein built numerous reports. And to the admin part, like audit information as well as the home are all there in the system, and about the patching set related to the instance, and the log about this product when it comes to the troubleshoot. So these things you can see it here. And to the main screen, so here we can see the product, contacts, and operation custom. These are all categorized as a domain, wherein we can configure a number of domains. And the favorite, if in case if someone wants to favorite their objects, they can store it in the favorite section. And these are the objects as a sample. Here we are seeing here the EBS item, SAP material master, and bills of material, and other. If I scroll down, you can see the done material, and also DA items. So you can configure n number of objects under any given domain. Also for the contacts meant to use to store all the customer and supplier related information, and operation used to store all the day-to-day activities like install base, project mapping, as well as the account COE and account other account related activities. Custom, where we can build a lot of custom pages, and it may not be a MDM, but it can be used as a custom pages wherein just for data capturing is used. And on the UI side, if we see here, like the in the bottom action buttons we normally called. So the MDM platform got object design, augmentation, and the MDM data hub got data view, bulk data view, and data request. The object design, where you can edit the existing object, and if in case of you want to apply any attribute templates, wherein this is the place where you will go and apply it. And augmentation, where the area you will create all business rules and the validation rules, and also the workflows where you will configure. And the data view, where once the object is designed, so this is the place where the user can go and view the data. And bulk data view as the grid based view, where user can see all the data in one single screen. Data request, so any data activities, like no one is allowed get into the MDM hub to access the edit the data, wherein only the data request process helps the users to either adding a new data, or they can edit the existing data. That data request helps. And inbound and outbound, so this got a complete fullest feature of the app migrate, wherein extract any data from any data source or loading data into any data source. So it got fullest level. Inbound is helps here to taking the data from any source and move the data into the MDM after doing all the quality and governance activities. And outbound, so wherein the data is published to the target systems, any given target system, say SAP or Oracle, so it will be published. And data governance part, so here is like we got three phases, like activation, data collection, and approval. It is like a more of a sequence or a parallel way. We can involve as much as users to bring into the governance, so that the data will be more reviewed and qualified. And so here in this notification, they can see all the activities, and they can build a SLA and top of that. And like the conditional based workflow, it is not like a static one. Conditional based, if in case I'm giving a, say for instance, a customer object, wherein I have a field called customer type. If I choose a class A, then it should go for the different route of a workflow. And if I choose customer class B, then it needs to go for a different workflow. So that is, again, it is possible. And audit information, so to audit about who and what was done. And this is object where we can see control center, where we can monitor all the bulk data transfer and activities. This we can configure. This is the place where we can go and monitor everything. And the data maintenance is the area where the data is brought into the hub. Now we want to apply some more rules. So this data maintenance helps for the ongoing maintenance activities. And quick queue is a quick link where we can configure any process, like I want to go and see profiling or a consolidation, any kind of a process. This button helps. And the favorite, so if you done click the favorite, so it will be marked on your favorite, and whenever you go to the favorite tab, you can see the object out there. All right, thank you so much.